Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I look forward to taking you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque P300e R-Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 1.5 petrol engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox as well as a petrol plug-in hybrid system and is seen here today in Portofino blue. Starting from the front, you will see our premium LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights. Cascading down the side, the luxurious yet sporty dynamics are continued as it sits on these 20-inch diamond turned alloys with a gloss dark grey contrast. Venturing to the rear, you'll see the rear privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the rear LED tail lights. Upon opening, the powered tailgate will reveal a vast amount of boot space, perfect for a week's worth of shopping or luggage for a week away. Rear passengers will be impressed with their cloud and ebony perforated Windsor leather seats. And a quick glimpse into your cockpit will reveal your 14-way heated electric driver memory front seats, which will ensure comfort and quality on any length of journey. Taking a closer look at the view that greets the driver, you'll see your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which can harbour key information such as your lane assist. In front of you, you'll see your part digital display, which can show you key features such as your speedometer and driver assistance. As we now move over to your 10-inch deployable Pivi Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and can provide great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your rear parking camera and your front and rear parking aid, which will ensure parking this Evoque is like second nature. You will further be able to access climate control systems as well as heated seat functions within your animated screen. And further this, you can also look down to further access climate control systems, which both driver and passenger can tailor to their own individual preferences. You will also be able to access individual driving modes as well as terrain response systems. To finalise our journey, we look up to see easy to access controls for your fixed panoramic sunroof, which will engross both occupants and the vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Evoque, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.